So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 8 of your class 8 English, that is a horrible witch. So let's begin with this lesson. So cast of characters. There is Mr. White in the lesson, Mrs. White, Herbert their son, Sergeant Major Morris, retired army officer, Mr. Sampson, that is company official. Now, Mr. White, there, Herbert, my boy, I got you, I think. मैंने तुम्हें पकड़ लिया, मुझे लगता है. Herbert, oh, I lost. मैं हार गया. Mrs. White, oh, you lost, Herbert. तुम हार गए, Herbert. There is a knock at the door. Sergeant Major Morris had come to meet Mr. White. So एक knock हुई है वो door पे, तो कौन आया था मिलने? Sergeant Major Morris आए थे meet करने किससे? Mr. White से. A retired army officer, he lost an arm in the war. उन्होंने अपना आर्म खो दिया था किसी war में. Herbert removes chessboard, wondered that yarn he's got for us tonight. Yarn is उनको story. उसको लगा कि एक story लाए वो हमारे लिए. Mr. White at the door. Come in quick. I can hold the door against the wind for much longer. So वो कह रहे कि अंदर जल्दी आओ, मैं ज्यादा देर के लिए विंड को रोक नहीं पाऊंगा. Against the door. Sergeant, awful, and a mile up the road. It was enough to blow the hair off your head. वो इतनी हवाई की बुला के हेड के हेयर ब्लो कर देगी. Mrs. White, how are you, Sergeant? आप कैसे हो, Sergeant? Sergeant sitting in the armchair. वो armchair में बैठे. I am well, ma'am. How about you? I am good, ma'am. मैं अच्छा हूँ. और आप कैसे हो? Mrs. White, fine, thank you. Is there a storm outside? क्या बाहर storm आ रहा है? You must have had a hard time coming to our place. तुम्हें आपको बहुत मुश्किल हुई होगी घर आने में. Sergeant, oh, it's not too difficult for a soldier. I have been worse time. ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है एक soldier के लिए. मैंने इससे भी बुरा time देखा है. Herbert, mother, can you please make some coffee for everyone? Mother, क्या आप सबके लिए coffee बना दोगी? Mrs. White, sure, son. I will just be back. Sure, मैं अभी आती हूँ. Herbert, Sergeant, what story have you brought for us today? Herbert बोलता है आप हमारे लिए क्या story लाए हो? Sergeant, let me think. I was in India for some time. Should I tell you about Indian magic? मैं अभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए इंडिया में था. क्या मैं तुम्हें Indian magic के बारे में बताऊँ? Mr. White, nonsense, old friend. I don't believe in magic. मैं believe नहीं करता magic में. What was that you started telling me the old days about? तो मुझे old days के बारे में बताओ. A monkey's paw, something nudges Herbert and winks at Mrs. White. वो winks कर रहे हैं Mrs. White की तरफ. So Sergeant, nothing. Oh, it was nothing worth hearing. वो ज़्यादा कुछ अच्छा नहीं है उसमें सुनने के लिए. Mrs. White with astonished curiosity. Monkey's paw? Mr. White, you were telling me. हाँ तो मुझे बता रहे थे. Sergeant, nothing. Don't go on about it. ज़्यादा आप उसमें मत जाओ. Mr. White, you said you always carried it on you. आपने बोला था वो आप हमेशा अपने साथ कैरी करते हो. Sergeant, so I do for fear. Oh, what might happen? मैं fear के लिए कैरी करता हूँ कि कब क्या हो जाए. Mrs. White, what it's for? वो किस लिए है? Sergeant, you won't believe me if I were to tell you. अगर तुम मेरी बात पे believe नहीं करोगे और मैं आपको बताऊंगा. But I will every word. मैं करूंगा. आप मुझे बताओ. Sergeant, magic then. Don't you laugh. Magic then. तो आप laugh मत करना. Herbert, I'm not got it on you now. Sergeant, of course. Herbert, let's see it. Herbert ने बोला चलो देखते हैं. Sergeant, oh, it's nothing to look at. Hunting in his pocket, just an ordinary little paw of a dead monkey. वो एक little paw एक dead monkey का. It has been dried, so it looks a little dreadful. वो सूख चुका है इसलिए थोड़ा dreadful लगता है. Produces it and holds it towards Mrs. White's hair. Mrs. White, who has leaned forward eagerly to see it, starts back with a little cry of disgust. वो थोड़ा एकदम पीछे हटी चिल्लाती है disgust से. Oh, this is so horrible. बहुत डरावना है. Herbert, give us a look. मुझे भी दिखाओ. Morris passes the paw to the Mr. White. Morris ने पास किया Mr. White को paw. From whom Herbert takes it. उनसे Herbert ने ले लिया. Why it is all dried up? ये क्यों सूख चुका है? Sergeant, I said so. जैसे मैंने बोला था. Mr. White taking the paw from Herbert. And what might there be special about this? में क्या special है इसके बारे में? Sergeant, impressively, the paw had made magic spell put upon it. पाव पे क्या एक magic spell है. Mr. White, no, in great alarm, he thrust the paw back into Morris' hand. Morris के hand में रखा वो paw वापस. Sergeant pensively hold this paw in the palm of his hand. By an oak fakir, he was a very holy man. मैंने oak fakir इसलिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा holy man था. He had set all the ball up in one spot, going on for 15 years, thinking of things, and he wanted to show that fate ruled people. That everything was cut and dried from the beginning. हर चीज cut और dried थी beginning से. You might say that you cannot escape your destiny. आप अपनी इस किस्मत से नहीं बच सकते. And that if you try to, you would get caught. अगर आप try करोगे तो आप पकड़े जाओगे. Pause solemnly. So he put a spell on his paw. उन्होंने एक spell रखा अपने paw on this paw. उस paw पे. It might have been anything else. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. But he took the first thing that came handy. तो पर उन्होंने वो चीज first चीज उठाई जो हाथ में आई उनके. As he put a spell on it and made it so that three people looking at them and with a deep meaning could have three wishes. हर तीन जनों की अलग अलग wish थी. Mr. White and Herbert laughed. वो दोनों हंसने लगे Mr. White और Herbert. Mrs. White, shh, don't make fun for it. इनकी मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Sergeant more gravely, but Mark, you thought the wishes were granted. Those three people would have cause to wish that they had not been. Mr. White, but how could the wish be granted? If wish कैसे grant होगी? Mr. White बोले. Sergeant, he did not. It would all happen so naturally. वो naturally सब चीज होगी. You might think it a coincidence. आपको एक coincidence लगेगा ये. But why have not you tried it, sir? But आपने try क्यों नहीं किया, sir? Sergeant gravely after a pause. I have. मैंने करा है. एक pause के बाद बोले हाँ मैंने करा है. But eagerly, you have had you three wishes. क्या आपकी three wishes है? If Sergeant, yes. Were they granted? क्या वो grant हो गई? Sergeant, they were. A pause. Sergeant ने बोला they were कि हाँ वो हो गई. Mr. White, has anybody else wished? किसी और ने भी wish करा है? Sergeant, yes, the first owner had his three wishes. First owner पे three wishes थी. Yes, oh yes, he had his three wishes all right. I don't know what is his first two were, but the third was death. Third wish उसकी death थी. All the shudder, that's how I got the paw. इसी वजह से मुझे paw मिल गया. But cheerfully, well, seems to me you have only got the wish for things. आप खाली चीजों के लिए wish करते हो that can have any bad luck about them. Sergeant shaking his head. Mr. White, Morris, if you have had your three wishes, अगर आपने अपनी three wishes ले लिया, it's no good to you. Now what do you keep it for? तो आप जब आपके लिए किसी चीज के लिए useful नहीं है, आप इसको अपने पास क्यों रख रहे हो? Sergeant still holding the ball, looking at it. I did have some idea of selling it. मेरे एक idea है इसको बेचने का, but I don't think I will. मुझे नहीं लगता इसे मैं बेचूंगा. It's done mischief enough already. Besides, people weren't busy. Some of them think it's a fairy tale. कुछ कोई fairy tale लगता है, and some want to try it first and pay later. और कुछ try करना चाहते हैं, बाद में pay करना चाहते हैं. Mrs. White, if you could have another three wishes, would you? अगर आप three wishes लेना चाहोगे, Mrs. White, तो आप क्या लोगे? Sergeant slowly weighing the paw in his hand and look at it. अपने hand पे देखते हुए, I don't know. Suddenly with violence he throws it away. उन्होंने एक violence से उन्हें फेंक दिया. I don't want it. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Mr. White rise and quick picks it up. एकदम से उन्होंने उठाया. What are you doing? तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो? Sergeant, I'm throwing it. It creates problems. मैं इसको फेंक रहा हूँ. ये problems create करता है. Mr. White wiping it on his coat sleeve. वो wipe कर रहे हैं अपने coat sleeve को उस पे. Now, no, if you don't want it, give it to me. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दे दो. Sergeant violently, I won't, my hands are clear of it. I will not, मैं नहीं दूंगा. I threw it, if you keep it, don't blame me, whatever happens. अगर आप इसको रख रहे हो तो मुझे blame मत करना अगर कुछ भी होता है. Mr. White, stop only. I'm going to keep it. What do you say, Herbert? मैं इसको रखना चाहता हूँ. Herbert, तुम क्या कहते हो? Herbert laughing, I say, keep it if you want to. Stuff and nonsense. Anyhow, it's stuff or nonsense. Mr. White looking at the paw thoughtfully. Stuff and nonsense, yes, I wonder. Sergeant, stop, mind what you are doing. That's not the way. Stop, ऐसे नहीं करते, ये तो सही तरीका नहीं है. Mr. White, what is the way? फिर क्या तरीका है? Mrs. White, oh, don't have anything to do with it. John, तुम पे कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है, John. Sergeant, that's what I say, ma'am. You can hold it in your right hand. आप इसको अपने right hand में पकड़ सकते हैं. Wish aloud. और एक wish कर सकते हो तेजी से. But I warn you. But मैं आपको warn कर रहा हूँ. Mrs. White, sounds like the Arabian Nights. Don't you think you might wish me 4 pairs of hands? क्या आप मेरे को नहीं चाहते मेरे 4 pairs of hands हो जाएं? Suggest stop it if you must wish for something sensible. अगर आप wish करना चाहते हो कुछ sensible के लिए wish करो. Look here, I can't stand this. I'm going. I want fresh air. I don't want to be here when you. मेरे को fresh air चाहिए. मैं नहीं चाहता जब when you wish and wish you will have wish. You will as soon as my back is turned. जब मेरी बैक घूम जाए जब विश करना. I know, but I have warned you. Be careful. मैंने warn कर दिया. आप ध्यान से रहना. Mr. White helping him into his coat. All right, Morris. Don't you fret about us. Give him money here. Sergeant refusing Mr. White money दे रहे but Sergeant refuse कर रहा है. No, I won't. Mr. White forcing it into his hand. Yes, you will. आप लोग यार डोर ओपन कर दिया. सर्जेंट टर्निंग टू द रूम की तरफ टर्न करते. वेल गुड नाइट ऑल. थ्रो इट अवे. इसको फेंक देना. ऑल गुड नाइट. But it's there no more in this than there is in this other stories. We shan't make it much out of it. We should not make much out of it. Mrs. White, did you give him anything for it? क्या आपने उनको कुछ दिया इसके लिए? Mr. White, a little money. He did not want it, but I made him take it. वो नहीं चाहते थे लेना but मैंने उनको दे दिया है. Howard with his hand on the old man's shoulder. Old Dad, if you had only cleared the debt on the house be quiet, happy, wouldn't you? अगर हम सारे debts clear कर दें इस house के तो आप खुश नहीं होगे. Laughing, well, go ahead, wish for the 200 pounds. That will just do it. आप 200 pounds के लिए wish करो. Mr. White, half laughing, shall I? क्या मैं करूँ? Herbert, go on, Herbert. Now dead. Mr. White, I will. मैं करूँगा. Hold up on the paw as if half ashamed. I wish for 200 pounds. मैं wish करता हूँ 200 pounds के लिए. Mr. White utters a cry and lets the paw drop. Mrs. White, what's the matter? आपने क्यों गिर दिया? What's the matter, Herbert? Nonsense, Dad. Why it's as stiff as a bone. Lay it on the table. ये stiff as a bone है. ले इसको टेबल पे गिर दो. Mrs. White, must have been your imagination. ये आपकी imagination होगी. But well, looking around the room, I don't see the money. मुझे money नहीं दिख रहा. And I am sure I never shall. और मुझे पक्का sure मुझे नहीं दिखेगा. Mr. White relieved. Thank God there is no harm done, but it gave me a shock. अच्छा हुआ कोई harm नहीं हुआ, but इसने मुझे shock दे दिया. How about 11:30? 11:30 बजे. I must get along. I'm on midnight duty. मैं midnight duty पे. We have had quite a merry evening. Mrs. White, I'm off to bed. मैं bed पे जा रही हूँ. Don't be late for breakfast, Herbert. Breakfast के लिए late मत होना, Herbert. Herbert, I shall walk home as usual. मैं घर आ जाऊँगा जैसे आता हूँ. Does me good. I shall be with you about 9. मैं 9 तक आपके पास आ जाऊँगा. Don't wait हो. मेरे लिए wait मत करना. Mrs. White, you know your father never waits. अब तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे father कभी wait नहीं करते. Good night, her mother. Herbert कहता है good night, mother. Herbert, coming to his father, who is sunk in thought. Good night, Dad. You will find the cash tied up in the middle of the bed. आपको cash मिलेगा middle of the bed में. हा हा हा. उसने funny way में बोला. Mr. White staring seizes Herbert's hand. It moved, Herbert. Believe me. उस मिस्टर वाइट ने बोला ये मूव हुआ था. हर्बर्ट बिलीव करो मेरी बात पे. Herbert and a monkey hanging by his tail from the bedpost watching scene 2. Next morning the breakfast is laid on the table. ब्रेकफास्ट कहाँ आ गया? टेबल पे आ गया. Mrs. White, what's the time? टाइम क्या हुआ है? Mr. White coming to the table. It's 8:45. Herbert must be coming. What's for the breakfast? Herbert आने वाला होगा. क्या है ब्रेकफास्ट में? Mrs. White, eggs. Pick up the paw from the table. Silly thing. The idea of us listening to such nonsense. ये silly चीज है जो हमने इस बात को सुना. Mr. White goes up to the window again. फिर से वो विंडो के पास जाते हैं. The sergeant major and his yarns. I suppose all old soldiers are alive. मुझे लगता है सब old soldiers ऐसे ही होते हैं. Mrs. White, come on, Herbert hates us to wait. Herbert, come on, Herbert hates us to wait. Herbert को wait करना पसंद नहीं है हमारा. They both sit and begin breakfast. उन्होंने start कर दिया breakfast. Mrs. White, how could wish be granted nowadays? आजकल wish कैसे grant होती है? Mr. White, I've been thinking about it all night. Have you? Even I had a bad night. So they look at each other. Mr. White sits down to finish his breakfast silently. Mrs. White goes to the window. Mrs. White window के पास जाती है. Mrs. White, why did you say last night that the paw moved? आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा कि paw move कर रहा था last night? Mr. White, so it did move. That I will swear to. ये पक्का हुआ था. मैं swear भी कर सकता हूँ इस बात पे. So Mrs. White, she is watching something outside. You thought it did? क्या आपको लगता ही हुआ है? Mr. White, I say it did. मैं कह रहा हूँ ना you are. There was no thinking about it. You saw how it upset me. तुम्हें दिखा नहीं हुई कैसे upset हो गया मैं? Didn't you? She doesn't answer. Didn't you? Why don't you listen? तुम मेरी बात को सुन क्यों नहीं रही हो? Turns around. What is it? वो एकदम पीछे घूमे. What is it? Mrs. White, nothing. Mr. White turns back to his breakfast. Do you see Herbert coming? क्या आपको Herbert दिख रहा आता हुआ? Mrs. White, no. Mr. White, he is about to come back from his night duty. Was it? वो मतलब अपनी night duty से आने वाला होगा. क्या वो आया नहीं? Mrs. White, nothing. Only a man looks like a gentleman. एक man दिख रहा है जो एक gentleman लगा है. He is wearing black clothes. उसने black clothes पहन रखे हैं and has a sad look on his face. उसके face पे sad look है. He is standing at our gate but hesitating to come in. वो हमारे gate पे खड़ा है और hesitate मतलब अटकट आ रहा है अंदर आने के लिए usually uncertain और worried हो रहा है अंदर आने के लिए. Mr. White, what about him? He is not interested. Goes on eating. What about him? वो interest नहीं है, वो अपने खाने में लग गया. Mrs. White, oh, you will only laugh again. But suppose he is coming about the 200. आप तो बारे हंसोगे अगर suppose अगर वो about the 200 के लिए आया हो. Mr. White, you are not the man. You are not to mention it again. फिर से इस बात को बातों में मत लाना. You are foolish old man. You are foolish old man. Come and eat your breakfast. And breakfast खाओ eagerly. Where is he now? अब कहाँ है वो? Mrs. White gone down the road. वो रोड पे चला गया. He has turned back. He seems to have made up his mind. हमें ऐसा लगा उसने अपना mind बना लिया है. Here he comes. Oh John and me all untidy. फिर वो आता है. Oh John and me all untidy. Mr. White to Mrs. White. Mr. White to Mrs. White who is hastily smoothing her hair, etc. What does it matter? क्या matter करता है? He made a mistake. Come to wrong house. गलती से वो शायद गलत house पे आ गया होगा. Mrs. White opens the door. Mr. Sampson, dressed from head to foot in Solomon black. Mr. Sampson के जो ऊपर से नीचे तक black थे, with the top hat stands in the doorways. Sampson outside. Is this Mr. White's house? क्या ये Mr. White का house है? Mrs. White, come in, sir. Please step in. अंदर आइए, sir, please. She shows him into the room. He is awkward and nervous. Awkward था, nervous था. You must excuse us for looking so untidy. Sampson to Mr. White. Morning, my name is Sampson. Morning, my name is Sampson. Mrs. White offering a chair. उन्हें chair दे रही है. Won't you please be seated? क्या आप बैठना चाहोगे? Sampson, thank you. No, I think not. I think not. Pause. Oh, yes, pause. He make a renewed effort. My name is Sampson. I have come. मेरा नाम Sampson है, मैं आया हूँ. वो फिर pause ले रहा है बार बार. Mrs. White, perhaps you wish to see Herbert. मुझे लगता है आप Herbert से मिलने आए हो. He will be home in a minute. वो 1 मिनट में घर आता होगा. Pointing. Here is a breakfast. Here is breakfast. यहाँ पे उसका breakfast wait कर रहा है. Sampson, interrupting her hastily. No, I pause. I have come from the electrical works. मैं electrical works से आया हूँ. Mrs. White, oh, you could have come with him. आपको उसके साथ आना चाहिए था. Mr. White sees something is wrong. Mr. White को लगा कुछ चीज गलत है. Tenderly puts his hand on her arm. और अपना hand उनके arm पे रखा. Sampson, no, I have come alone. नहीं, मैं अकेले आया हूँ. Mrs. White with a little anxiety. Is anything the matter? क्या कुछ बात है? Sampson, I was asked to call. मुझे call करनी है. Mrs. White abruptly. Herbert, has anything happened? Is he hurt? Herbert को कुछ हुआ है क्या? उसे चोट लगी है? Mr. White, soothing her, don't you jump to conclusion. आप ऐसा कुछ मत सोचो. Let the gentleman speak. इन्हें कुछ बोलने दो. You have not brought bad news, I'm sure. Sir, आप कोई गलत bad news नहीं लाए होगे, I'm sure. Sampson, I'm sorry. Is he hurt? सैमसन ने बोला आई एम सॉरी। फिर मिसेस वाइट बोलती है इज ही हर्ट, क्या उसे चोट लगी है? सैमसन क्वाइट। Mrs. White badly. Samson very badly turns away. Mrs. White with a cry, John. Mr. White, is he in pain? Mr. White बोले क्या वो पेन में है? Samson, he is not in pain. Mrs. White, oh thank God for that. Thanks, she looks in a shocked way at Mr. White. Realize what Samson means. वो realize रही कि Samson का क्या मतलब? Catches his arms and tries to turn him towards her. Do you mean what? Mr. White, Hosley, go on, sir. सैमसन ही वॉज टेलिंग हिज मेट अ स्टोरी, वो अपने मेट को एक स्टोरी बता रहा था जो साथ में रहते हैं। समथिंग दैट वुड हैपन हर लास्ट नाइट, की कुछ रात में हुआ था। ही वॉज लाफिंग एंड वॉज नॉट नोटिसिंग, वो हंस रहा था और वो नोटिस नहीं कर रहा था। एंड द मशीनरी कॉट हिम एंड ही इज डेड। और मशीनरी में वो हंस रहा था, वो नोटिस नहीं कर रहा था कुछ भी चीज, और मशीनरी ने उसे पकड़ लिया, वो डेड है। A little cry from Mrs. White, her face shows her horror and agony. Mr. White holding Mrs. White's hand. The machinery caught him, yes, and him. Only child, it hurt. Only child, it's hard, sir, very hard. था वो आपका अकेला बच्चा था, बहुत hard है sir. Samson subdued. The company wished me to convey their sincere sympathy with you in your great loss. Company ने wish करा कि मैं आपको sympathy देने आऊँ great loss में आपकी. Mr. White staring blankly, a great loss, हमारा बहुत नुकसान हो गया है. Samson, I was to say further as if apologizing, I am only their servant, मैं उनका servant हूँ, I am only अब obeying orders, मैं खाली obey कर रहा हूँ orders. Mr. White, our great loss. Samson laying an envelope on the table, अपने एक envelope table पे रख के बाहर जाने लगा. I was to say the company disclaim all responsibility, disclaim करी company side responsibility, but in consideration of our son's service they wish to present you with a certain sum of compensation. वो आपको कुछ compensation देने चाहते हैं. Gets to know Mr. White, our great loss suddenly with horror. How much? Suddenly एकदम डर गया, कितना? Samson in the doorway, 200 pounds. 200 pounds देना चाहते हैं वो भी. As Samson goes out, Mr. White falls down on the floor. Mr. White floor पे गिर गए and Mrs. White starts weeping loudly. और Mrs. White एकदम तेज रोने. Now let's solve the exercise of this lesson. I got you means Mr. White had caught hold of his son. Mr. White had caught a thief. Mr. White had defeated his son in a game of chess. Mr. White had defeated a son in his chess. Below the hair of your head refers to a violent storm with strong winds. Got it on you now refers to Herbert asking Morris whether he was wearing his coat. Herbert asking Morris if he had the paw with him. Mrs. White asking her son if he was wearing his coat. Mr. White asking Herbert if he had a paw. Got it on you now refers to Mr. White asking Herbert if he had the paw. The phrase cut and dried means absolutely clear. If there is no more in this than there is in his other stories, we shan't make much out of it. Herbert is referring to all of the above. Sergeant Major Morris did not mind the storm because he had faced worse in his life, worse in war. Every time Morris came, he told Mr. White mysterious stories. Now, Morris got the monkey paw from the fakir in India. Morris warned Mr. White against to make the wish. Against paw to make the wish. Mrs. White wished for Herbert's to return. Mr. White wished for Herbert's to return. Now, true false. Herbert won in the game of chess. False. It was difficult for a retired soldier to brave the storm. False. True. Mr. White wished for 2,000 rupees. Mr. White wished for 2,000 rupees. True. Mr. White, Herbert died at work. True. Mr. Samson brought the sad news for Herbert. Said true. What was the monkey paw? How could it be used? The monkey paw was. Now answer the following question. What was the monkey paw? How could it be used? The monkey paw was a magical paw that fulfilled the wishes. Why did surgeon give the monkey paw to Mr. White? The surgeon gave because he wanted him to get rid of that paw. He just threw that paw, and Mr. White picked up that by paying the money. What did Mr. White feel while wishing? Mr. White feel uneasy and fearful, sensing while wishing while something wrong and fearful something wrong will happen. Where did Herbert work? The Herbert worked in an electrical machinery company. That is factory. Who were the whites waiting for breakfast? Who came instead? The whites were waiting for the Herbert, their child, for the breakfast. The sad news come with the servant. Mr. Sampson bring the sad news. How did the wish for 200 pounds prove to be deadly? They wished with that monkey magical power for the 200 pounds, but the wish was fulfilled by the death of the Herbert. The companies pay the compensation for 200 pounds. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.